Goodbye, Daniel. Just hug me and go. Please, don't speak much. Don't say anything. Anything you say will stain me for short, like a white trail of a plane flying across the ocean. When you pass that gate, everything will stay behind you, as if we didn't even exist. The money they gave you, it is only for a short period of time, isn't it? For 1 year only. It is an ordinary scholarship. It is only America. It will take you and swallow you. America will give you everything that I haven't given to you. It will give you cuts and love. But Daniel, when you lie under an open sky, the sky which is the same for all of us, you will remember us. And let it hurt you in your memories. Daniel, wait! Maybe I can come once. When you find your feet. When you find your feet. When you marry the woman that you don't love. And she gives you the paper. When you have a children that you don't love. You will fuck a wife that you don't love. But you will love America. And your legal papers. You will dream. Neću da budem sa njim. Da li me razumeš? Da li shvataš o čemu govorim, Daniele? Daj, pogledajte me, jebote! What do I dream about, Daniel? Huh? I dreamed I was born dead. I dreamed hospital. White, sterile and cold. And in that hospital, everybody was crying. And somebody left a letter in which it says, they wish I'm burned. I'm going never to return and forget everything. I dreamed I'm hot, Daniel. Burning. And I'm screwed here. So the wind takes me away. Far away. Takes me to America. To that someone. To inhale me with the wind. And let me stay with him forever.